Hey guys, it's Paulie. This is just going to be a basic finger exercise for dexterity on guitar. This is a sequence exercise, and we're really just going to work on an alternate sequence for our fingers. So in this one, our sequence is going to be from the finger 1 to finger 3, and then to finger 2, and then to finger 4. And we're just going to keep repeating that sequence. 1, 3, 2, 4, fingers corresponding with frets. We'll do this at 60 BPM, and we'll start at quarter notes, then we will double it to eighths, and then we'll double it to 16ths on that. I recommend that you add this video to your favorites so you can keep building your collection of exercises. So let me grab my metronome here real quick and let's get started. Finger 1, string 1, fret 1, 3, go. 1, 3, 2, 4. Repeat. Repeat. Again. All right, let's try eighth notes. 1, 2, 3. Again. Again. All right, 16ths. You can start to zone out there after a minute. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that and get some use out of it. You can do this obviously on different strings. You can move it up and down the fretboard. I recommend that you add this video to your favorites so you can keep on building your collection of guitar exercises, and we'll see you guys next time.